Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. Major impact key point is called 404 error. So after this, you enter the something website name here. They can redirecting for same page is fine. But if you go to this particular website, public underscore HTML, in this we have option name is called show hidden file. That option name is called .xtaccess file. In a .xtaccess file, I can copy this code, keep it on notepad. Simple example. Just I'm delete it. Save. After this one, I'm entering for this code. What will happen? You will get the 404 error. So this code, what will happen? If anybody open wrong URL, they will be only strictly using for HTML page. Suppose this code I'm using, for example, HTML plus I'm adding for PHP. Save. And we can go for refresh it. What will happen? So why? Because website will be built by which platform? That it will be PHP or HTML. That is compulsory important will be here. Suppose you are built by the website will be HTML, but your writing for extension will be PHP. They will not accept it. After changing for HTML, if you click for this refresh button, so same website will open. So that nothing but if enter any wrong URL, any website, not only one website. Some Amazon we can go with here. After dot in, suppose I enter the wrong URL. Look for something we are wrong, go to home page. But what we can call the e-commerce, I can read it to home page. This will be only simple website. So that is called read it to the home page. So can I go to read it to the contact us page, any page, anything you will be possible. So that will be happening for in a particular website. So compulsory clearly follow the optimization 404. This is the syntax. The file name will be stored for .xtaccess file. That is a compulsory important. This file not available. Compulsory add on your website with the save file name is called .xtaccess. And one more important information where you can working will be your particular website. Okay, that will be .xtaccess file. We can upload directly. You can create a file name here with the name of .xtaccess.txt file and upload the content. If your mistake to uploading procedure, for example, if you are download this .xtaccess, I can upload to try to upload will be .xtaccess file. So the file will be upload differently. See this. This is the way, this is the way. So dot is not acceptable by the uploading time. So compulsory file you can create will be here and upload will be into .xtaccess file. So this is the procedure you can follow and website issue by the 404 error. So what is the 404 error? Question is there. 404 error, if your design website will be 100-page website, suddenly one page was deleted or corrupted, suddenly it is showing will be 404. So what will do this in your redirection of 404? The page was removed, the redirect to the home page or some other pages. Reason? The page was deleted or maybe corrupted. So that is the reason we have to use option name is called 404 error. This is compulsory important to activate 404 error on your particular website. So any 404 error issues you regarding, please ask my code. I'll definitely will be support you. The code purpose, you can go to my website, my blogs. Search will be my blog will be into my home page and find out the code and upload on your particular website. And HTML PHP is a one way. WordPress will be another way. You can add your complete code here. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.